Hi everyone, hardwood flooring, a very popular choice for flooring and stairs installation. So it looks really beautiful, it's durable, and it's rise value of your property for sure. I will show you some particular tips and some tricks how to do it. I've been doing this flooring business over 20 years, and for me, for sure, it's very easy. Uh, and I will try to show you uh, how you can make it easy. First of all, you need tools for flooring installation, for stairs installation, and what kind of tools you need. So first of all, it should be miter saw. I'm using DeWalt 10 inches miter saw. This is the old style with laser, but you can buy a new one. It's make shadow and show you lines. So you need table saw. You need a nail gun for stairs. I'm using 23 gauge pin nailer. It's Ryobi. This is the best tools. I mean nailer what we have on the market. Very durable and long lasting. So I'm very happy with this tool. So grinder to clean up floor, and you need glue, wood glue, hammer, and this stair jig. First of all, when I start stair installation, I'm using grinder to flattening the stairs case and remove dust or dirt. And sometimes when we take off carpet, there is some staples. Grinder very easy remove it. Next step, you have to choose the floor. When you choose the floor, you have to make nosings. You see, it's now very popular nosing, square nosings. Why? Square nosing we made from the same material. I can make by myself, or I just order this nosing from the shops who specialize to make stair nosings. This nosing same color, same grain, and also surface. If it's brushed, it's brushed surface. Is it shiny, and you don't have any difference between this nosing and threads. Here is the two sides open staircase, and it's hardest installation stairs. So first of all, I put two blocks on the side to measure exactly a riser with stair jigs. I just nailed it that blocks. Then I transfer this dimension to the hardwood flooring. You see, with knife it's very visible in exactly precise dimension. So then I just cut it with miter saw. Now riser exactly fit to this stair. Now we have to cut two pieces from left and right side of step. So this is I'm cutting around 14-15 inches pieces, and then need to make from for these two pieces bird tail. This is it will be a return on these stairs and cover gap between riser and drywall on staircase. You will see in future how I finish this. Now I have to measure thread dimension. I need 3 lines from the short piece and from nosing what I marked. Then I measure with tape measure and I get exactly dimension of thread. So now I put thread and I put to nosing on front, check if there is some gap under the nosing. You see there is around quarter. Better if it's wider thread than narrow, and I pre-cut again and get exactly a tight nosing to the riser. Nosing should be tight to the riser, no gaps. Then I cut front nosing from one side, put short piece from the left side, fix it with some pin nails. I like use pin nails because it's not make big holes and these holes not visible. You see, always use pin nailer to fix the pieces for measuring and making checking hole dimension. When I finish, the sides what I cut with miter saw and table saw, I'm just a little sanding to avoid any sharp sides, make it a little bit bevel. Then I'm using construction glue, it's tight bond. I'm using for stairs only tight bond because it's really strong, no squeaks. You see, I put on the bottom of the riser glue and I put with angle this glue. It's cover more space, and you can use less glue but cover more space, you see. So then I'm using wood glue to glue nosing together, and also I secure this corner of the nosing with pin nailer. So when you prepare whole pieces, it's not hard to build this thread together with nosings. So secure nosing with pin nails, and then if you have some small gaps, just fill up these gaps with filler. These pins needed only to hold this thread and riser before glue getting dry. Next step, need to install bird tail return and put cover to side of the riser and drywall to cover this gap. This small piece for covering side I'm making from the same material, just cut only veneer from the engineering floor, and then sanding both sides and install these pieces. You see now it's completely finishing steps, looks really nice, and when you do and follow whole installation like I recommend, you will enjoy your stairs.